Yes, my beautiful people. Yeah, man. So I go on there. So welcome to the channel. So today is Friday the 24th, the day before the storm Melissa. They say it's supposed to reach Jamaica by the 25th. Yeah, man. So me are giving a tour in this area. Just get some rain a while ago. You can see the road surface. Don't know what's taking place down here. See, we have a lot of muddies on the road, so I'm gonna clean it, change them. I'm gonna prepare for the storm. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So to clean it, change them, so water can flow freely, so we don't have no blockage of the road. Yeah, man. So it's about 1:29 p.m. in St. Elizabeth in the Luana area. Just get some rain. Big up on yourself. I now watch from here and abroad. You can big up on yourself. And the tour guide is Fire Reid. Place can look dark. Go through, boss. Go through. Got you. Just hitch up on me tail. Go on through. So big up on now watch from here and abroad. You can big up on yourself. So we're heading towards the Black River area. The man water up on the road surface. So St. Elizabeth getting a little bit of rain at the moment. Yeah, man. So it's now 1:32 p.m. the 24th of October. Driving towards the Black River town area from Luana. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from. This is an update. Wow. yourself, Rasta. Water up on the road. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Welcome to Black River. So thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.